who are passionate about starting their YouTube channel this year 2024 are discouraged already just because they don't have a good tools to shoot their video. They don't have a good camera, they don't have a good microphone, neither do they have a good background. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can successfully create your content with these free tools that I'm about to explain to you. Currently shoot my video with my phone, neither do I have a microphone that I'm shooting this video with, just because I want to teach you how you can do it without a microphone, without a good camera. The secret behind a good video is the audio and the visual aspect. And to achieve all this, you actually need an editing software which is called CapCut, because that is what I'm using to edit all my videos. It's actually free compared to other editing software that are paid version, just like Adobe Premiere Pro and others. That I go to my CapCut, then I click on import to import my video. After importing my video, I can drag and drop to this timeline. Then I go to adjustments. Can you see adjustments here? So this is why I can add some grading to my video. Can you see? So if you want to brighten your video, you can as well play around all these things so that you can know how to do yours. If you want to increase the speed of the video, you can just increase it a bit. Then audio, go to audio to remove the noise. Can you see noise reduction here? You can click on it to reduce the noise. So use CapCut to remove the background of the video by importing the background of the video. Adobe Broadcast Enhancer. This actually helps your audio to sound as if you record it with a good and expensive microphone. Yes, it always enhances your audio. Then I go to VLC to extract the audio from the video. So then I go to my VLC to upload the video. Then I convert and save. This makes me extract the audio from the video. After that, then I to type Adobe Broadcast Enhancer on my Chrome browser. Then it takes me to this website which I will be uploading my audio. So I choose the audio. Then I open it. After opening it, I make sure it loads. It's quite take 2 to 3 minutes before it loads. So I'm going to hold on for it. So it takes time depending on the size of your video. So after uploading the audio on the website, you have to download it. Make sure you download the enhanced audio. And the last but not the least is called Canva. Canva is a free website which you can use to design your thumbnail, especially if you are not good at graphic designing. It has a lot of templates whereby you can use to edit your thumbnail. All you have to do is just to choose a template which is actually free, because it also has a paid version. All you have to do is just to choose a free template, because it actually has a paid version too. So just choose a free template, put your text and put your, so that it will look unique. So that is just how I do all my thumbnails. That's how I generate all my thumbnails, and it looks good. It looks, so you can just go to the website canva.com. I will also drop the link to my description below. Just go to the website, sign up with them, then play around the website so that you can be able to use it for your YouTube thumbnails. It actually works on phones too if you don't have a system. So that is just how I come up with my thumbnails. So can you see now that I brought up my pictures and I delete the previous one that comes with the template? That is just how to do it. It depends on how you are using it. The more you use it, the more you know better. So that's just how I generate all my thumbnails. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much for watching. My name is Sokwe, and I will see you in my next video.